Alrighty, you guys, we're day number 4 on this mile-a-day challenge. Oh my god, I'm doing 3 miles today, mile and a half in. Stop to just do a quick video. But day number 4 of my mile-a-day challenge. So let's get it, y'all. Halfway in my 5K run.
Jam rock atta, rapido gunfire. We make the man them just a kill them one another. All our we a brother, you like to live together. Don't take another life, just forget a little cheddar. Know your mark for death, and you start to sweat. Babylon a search for you, you a hide a fret. Just a kill and collect, smoke and forget. Marijuana them a dip in a embalm fluid. When your mind omit, crime where you commit. Out of many one people, man, we have to stop it. Pure big matic, 3-star ratchet. I know the man, them have to take up human traffic. Oh no, no one is so. Where the card, man, I think bold. Let's vote, feel it go. Adams will want to clean up the road. Full of bodies. Embalm in the chalice. Jam rock your waddies. Jam rock your waddies. Body just a dropper, sister or your brother. G-City have a fearful of top shatter. Cause a rat-a-tata, with this suppressive fire. The man them say that they no care at drugs shatter. For the money them a contract killer. Rifle a run gun for the murderer. Have a light trigger, a trigger happy finger. Real life a supply for the little trader. Or you fi kill a brother, from another mother. Them thing they no right, no papa. Crime a fi stopper, because we have a lotta. Poverty in the land so it atta. Oh no, you got that soul. Where the yard man I think bout. Let's vote, feel let go. Adams will want to clean up the road. Full of bodies. Embalm in the chalice. Jam rock your waddies. 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 Do not embalm up the chalice. No embalm up the chalice. Embalm up the chalice. Do not embalm up the chalice. Jam rock your waddies. Jam rock your waddies. Jam rock your waddies. Jam rock your waddies.
So I just finished up day number 4 of my mile-a-day challenge, you all. And hope you guys are following me. Subscribe, like, let me know how you like this trail that I'm running on today. So it's day number 4, mile-a-day challenge, all done. And it was 2 miles